Hey guys, I have a super simple quick DIY for you today. I believe I saw this on Pinterest and thought I would give it a try. So it's actually a fall DIY today, and you can use it at Thanksgiving, and I'll just show you what it is. Let's get right to it. Okay, so all you'll need today is a clear glass plate. I got this at Dollar Tree, and this is a fat quarter. I did pick this one up at Walmart. I believe it was $1.47, and some Mod Podge. And what I'm going to do is turn the plate over and measure it around, but you want to cut it too big so you can trim it off at the end. I will clean my plate with some alcohol first to make sure I get all the fingerprints or anything else that's on it. And as you can see, I did get too much alcohol. You really don't have to clean the front, but I did. So I'll clean that. I will measure out the material, and then I'm going to put a pretty good amount of Mod Podge on the back. Place the material on, smooth it down, get all the wrinkles out. And once I do that, let it dry a little bit, I'll put another layer of Mod Podge on top of the material, let it dry, and then we'll trim it up. And really that's all it is to it. So I'm just going to let you listen to music and watch how it goes. Now, if you have a design that you want in the middle, make sure that you try to get that in the center of the plate, and then just smooth it down a little bit. And what I did was took an ink pen and just drew a circle around the plate, but I did leave enough material so we can trim it up at the end. Now my material did have some wrinkles in it, so I just took a wet washcloth and placed it in the dryer for a few minutes, and it knocked most of those wrinkles out. And now I'll just cut around the circle. Be sure to leave enough material on the edges. You don't want to cut it too short. I'm going to use a matte Mod Podge, and I'm going to use quite a bit. You want to be sure you have a lot of Mod Podge so that material will lay down. And once you get your Mod Podge on, you'll place your material on. If you have something you want in the center of the plate, make sure you line that up, and then just smooth all the wrinkles out. There is also a dishwasher safe Mod Podge that you could possibly use with this. I've never tried it, but if anyone has tried that, let me know how it works out for you. here's what we have. Now I'm going to flip it back over, place another layer of Mod Podge, let that dry really well, and then come back and trim off the excess material. Okay, so now mine is almost completely dry. I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and just trim around the edge. If you'll butt your scissors up to the plate, you should be able to get a nice trim. And here's how it looks, guys. This is really super cute. Of course, you won't be able to place it in the dishwasher, but you can just wipe the top of the plate off. You could use this to maybe put cookies, cupcakes, something like that on. Something that will be easy just to wipe off. And here it is on my table. I think this is just really super cute. I'm sure I'll be making a couple of these, and I know I will definitely make some for Christmas. Really easy, really cute plate. Total cost for this is probably $2.50. I hope you guys enjoyed this video tonight. Thank you so much to my subscribers for your support. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. It's free to join. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. It helps my channel grow. Thanks so much for watching today, and I will see you in my next video.